I used to waste a lot of time editing my videos in the beginning. I wanted to have it perfect, and I was not also sure where and what I have to edit, which things I need to use to cut the pieces, the spices. Um, and the two things that I've changed since then is, for one, I started to use AI tools like FireCut AI and Descript, which helped me saving a lot of time editing my videos. It's way faster, way easier, and FireCut, for example, adds you the stock media where it fits best. And even if you don't like the stock media, you can have another chance. For example, if you have a subscription with Canva, that you can download different stock media pictures or videos, or even if you have a subscription with iStock or Adobe Stock, that you can use to replace it at the specific spaces or places where FireCut placed it. In addition, I use Descript, which makes editing also way easier in the sense of adjusting your video. The great thing is, even if you mispronounce something or missed out something, you can add full sentences or words which the AI will replicate yourself. So even if you said something wrong, you can still correct it afterwards, and you can follow the transcription of the video to get the cuts more easily done. Having said that, these are the tools that save me a lot of time and are way cheaper than to hire a virtual assistant that could edit your videos for yourself. So meaning, it's even if you are on a heavy or tight budget, then this is a great solution.